Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. My dear students of class 6, today I am going to take your English second paper and our today's topic is application. So today we will know how to write an application to the headmaster or headmistress. So let's start the class. So our today's topic is application, and now look, there is there is a sample application with answer. There is a sample question with answer. Okay, let's read at first. Suppose you are studying in Sonapur High School in Rangpur district, but recently your father has been transferred to Nurpur in Chattogram district. Your family will soon move there. Now write an application to your headmaster or headmistress for a TC or transfer certificate. So this is our question, and now we will write an application on the basis of the this question. So at first you will write date. So what is today's date? Today's date is 19 April 2021. Then you will address if there is a headmaster or headmistress in your school, so you will write headmaster or headmistress. So our we know that in our school we have headmaster, so it will be the headmaster. Then what is the name of this school? Given here, Sonapur High School. So you are reading in Sonapur High School in Rangpur district, so you will write the name of the school, Sonapur High School. Then the address. So our address is here, Rangpur, so we will write here Rangpur. Then you will write the subject. So this is the subject, that means why do you want to write an application to the headmaster or headmistress? So an application for a TC, or you can also write here an application for a transfer certificate. So that will be the subject of your application. Then you will address dear sir or dear madam. If it is headmaster, you will write dear sir, or if it is headmistress, you will write dear madam. Then you will start the application. We can write here with I state that, or with due respect I want to state that. So I start like this. This is to inform you that I am a student of class 6 in your school. So at first you will give your introduction. Who are you? What class you are reading, like this. Then you will come to the main point. That means why are you writing this application? That means this is the main body of this application. Okay, let's start. Dear sir, this is to inform you that I am a student of class 6 in your school. My father is a government employee. Recently, he has been transferred from Sonapur to Nurpur in Chattogram. Our family will soon shift there. Besides, I have no relation in Sonapur. My father does not want to leave me alone here. So it is quite impossible for me to continue my study in your school, for which I badly in need of a transfer certificate, or you can also write here TC. So this is the reason you want a transfer certificate. And now in application there will be 2 paragraphs. So this in first paragraph you will write the cause of your application, and then you will go to the next paragraph. In the circumstances stated above, I hope that your owner would be kind enough to issue me a transfer certificate and oblige thereby. So in the next in the second paragraph or the ending paragraph, you will write like this. In the above circumstances, or I hope that your owner would be kind enough to issue me a transfer certificate and oblige thereby. So you will conclude your application like this. That means you will expect, or you will hope that your application will be granted. Now you will write here yours obediently or sincerely yours. So whatever you want you will write here. So yours obediently, I have used a name Fahim Islam, or you will be given a name in your question paper. Then you will write it or you will use this name. And class 6, then you will write the section and you will write the roll. So just like this you will practice these 3 applications. Number 2, write an application to your headmaster or headmistress for opening a common room or reading room. Now number 3, write an application to your headmaster or headmistress for setting up a canteen in your school. Number 4, write an application to the headmaster or headmistress for an early leave. So there are 3 more applications for your practice. So you will follow this format and you will write your application. And dear students, very important thing, all of you will write your you will start your application from the left side of the page. From the left side of the page, you will not write anything on the right side. You will not write anything on the right side. You will write everything, the date, the subject, the salutation, everything in on the left side of your page, and you will try to complete your application within 1 page. So dear students, there are 4 applications for this term. You will practice, and there is a homework for you. This is application number 4. This is homework number 12, and this is application number 4. Write an application to the headmaster or headmistress for an early leave. So using this format, following this format, you will write your application, and there are 4 applications for this term. I repeat, there are 4 applications for this term. First one, you will write an application to your headmaster or headmistress for a TC. Number 2, you will write an application to your headmaster or headmistress for opening a common room or reading room. Number 3, you will write an application to your headmaster or headmistress for setting up a canteen in your school. And number 4, you will write an application to the headmaster or headmistress for an early leave. So there are 4 applications you have to learn in this term. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm in the school library. So dear students, all of you listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.